Hey guys, today's video is another Poshmark Q&A. First question. I have a quick question. My Poshmark listings have all seemed to disappear except for 2. I can't see or share anything else that I have listed for almost 24 hours now. Has this happened to you? No, it hasn't happened to me. I'd kind of freak out if it did. It sounds like your account got suspended for some reason. I would reach out to Poshmark if you haven't already and see what they say. Yeah, there's no like glitch or anything currently going on, so it sounds like they did something to your account. Typically they suspend accounts if you're using bots, if you are selling counterfeit things. I'm sure there is the occasional like, oops, we suspended your account on accident. Luckily that's never happened to me. But yeah, I'd reach out to Poshmark and just ask them, say, hey, what's up? What's going on? What's going on? Next question. Hi Vanessa, I have a question for your YouTube Q&A. I know sharing your own items is important, but what do you know or your thoughts on participating in share groups to get in community shares each day? I participated in some with the same group and some days don't notice any increase in likes on my items that are being shared by the group. Wondering if it's worth the time. Thank you for the informative videos. Thank you for watching. I don't know your name. Style on sale _ SOS on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I screenshotted your comments. I don't know what your name is. Okay, so honestly, it's a waste of time. It really is. That's my personal opinion. Unless you need to do community shares in order to attain Poshmark ambassador status, which, I have a video talking all about that. Is it really worth it? Unless you're doing community shares to achieve that status, I would stop participating in share groups because there are other things that you can be doing with your time to generate more sales that are like proven ways to generate sales, like sharing your own stuff, relisting, etc. It is a nice gesture. It is nice. Well, is it really nice? Is it nice? I guess like it shows that, you want to try to help someone out when you share their stuff, but does it really help them out? It's still debatable. It really is. So yeah, honestly, I think they're a waste of time. And you said it yourself. Some days you don't notice any increase in likes. Likes aren't sales though. So you need to share your own stuff before you share other people's things. Okay, next question. Hey girl, I've been watching your videos and I heard you talk about a wholesale / liquidation company that you ordered from and didn't like. I know you said you didn't want to put them on blast on YouTube, but I was wondering what company it was because I'm looking at buying from one. Okay, so I actually can't tell you guys the company because I'm still kind of going through something with them because they kind of fucked me over, and as soon as I'm done with them, I will definitely do a video talking all about this company, calling them out 100% because it's just a shit show, honestly. And that's really all I can say about it right now. I'm sorry. I just need this to be over and I need to get my money back before I put them on blast, because they still have my money and I don't have my stuff that I ordered from them, and it's a shit show. So I need to get my money back from them and then I'll be able to talk all about it. Last question. Hey, I find it interesting that reposhing, the person gets to steal all of your pictures. Any thoughts on this? Kind of strange to see my hands in pictures on someone else's closet. Also, the email I got from Poshmark says I will get credit on my original photos, but I do not see where credit is given. So this person is talking about the reposh feature. They recently came out with, like a setting where when you reposh something, you can actually use the original pictures of the listing that you're reposhing. I don't want people using my pictures because this is my business. I took time to photograph things and I don't want people using my pictures. A lot of people probably don't want people using their pictures. Some people probably don't care, but a lot of people probably don't want people using their pictures. So there actually is a way to opt out of it. We're going to go to My Seller Tools and then Reposh Settings. And it'll look like this. I have mine turned off, but let's just turn them on. It says, congrats. Reposh photos is on. Buyers can reuse your photos when reposhing items purchased from your closet. Score free closet publicity with credit to you on your original photos. So this person asking the question, you don't see what their credit is. They just put like a little, like your closet name appears on the photo. See, in this one, I don't think it looks like how it shows in that picture. I think it's like kind of more off to the side. But yeah, that's how they credit you. It says, provide a simple solution for buyers who want to rotate out their looks. Okay. Extend the life cycle of your items and fuel a sustainable future. I can fuel a sustainable future and extend the life cycle of items without allowing other people to use my pictures and take advantage of my hard work, you know, like, and I guess I'll explain what reposhing is in case some of you guys don't know, but it says right on here, it says, reposh is a simple way to relist an item on Poshmark, allowing buyers and sellers to extend the life cycle of an item and fuel a sustainable future. Select one of the options below to learn more about reposh. So basically, if you buy something on Poshmark and, you know, it doesn't work out for you for whatever reason, and you can easily relist it, is what reposhing is basically. So yeah, so you can opt out of it. When you opt out of it, they say turn off reposh photos. If you turn this off, you'll miss out on free closet publicity and other benefits. What are the other benefits? First of all, closet publicity, like, are people really gonna take the time to like read the name on the photo? Are you sure you want to continue? But wait, what are the other benefits though? I need to know. I don't want people using my photos. And you know, they're not stealing your photos technically because you are giving them permission. Although I'm sure there are many, many, many users on Poshmark that don't even know about this feature, that don't know that they can opt out of it. And you know, if they find out that someone's using their pictures, they'll probably be pissed. So yeah, I actually never got an email from Poshmark talking about this. I saw this on Instagram maybe, or it was in a Facebook group. I saw it somewhere. I actually never got the email from Poshmark talking about this. So I don't think I was alone. There are probably other people that didn't get the email either. So again, there's probably gonna be people that don't know about this and will get pissed if somebody uses their photos, rightfully so. So yeah, I don't want people using my pictures just because, like I said, I take the time out of my day to photograph things and I don't want people just using my pictures. Like, no. I wonder how you would know if someone has opted out of you being able to use their pictures. Oh, it probably wouldn't, when you go to like reposh it probably just wouldn't transfer the pictures, right? I'm assuming. I've never like reposh something that way. I do like to reposh things. Like let's clear that up. I am a reposher, yes. But I don't use other people's pictures. I find things on Poshmark all the time for cheap and I turn around and resell them. Poshmark is a place that I source, but I don't use people's photos. So yeah, those are my thoughts on that. You know, reposhing, whatever, it's like a convenient feature, I guess. But yeah, I don't agree with the whole like using their photos. So that is it for this video. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.